So today is a chore day. Andre's going to be fixing that blind on that window there. The spring has come apart, so he's going to try to see if he can put it back together, and we'll show you the process as he... Thought I'd show you what a beautiful day it is today as Andre's getting everything ready. We have a gorgeous day. Blue skies with a little bit of cloud, but the sun is just out and bright, and it's only about 8:30 in the morning. He's actually fixing that blind because that part up top has some springs that are not functioning properly. So he's putting the 2 new springs in because this blind here was not going up and down or opening. So once he's got it all complete, then we'll come back and show you the blind opening. Mia. And look who she's not far from. She loves her dad.
Vai lá dentro, né?
This is the blind from inside.
Ok, já sei o que é.
And it's not opening or closing.
Levanta pouquinho só com a mão, a cortina com a...
So it looks like that piece worked. We managed to get the blind to go up and down. Mia. Today is a chore day. I'm cleaning the blinds. All nice and clean. All clean. The screen. Andre's all done. And now it's gonna go like this and show you guys on the cord. It goes down, but it also goes up. Another task completed. On to another chore. Andre's still up in the garden working, so I'm going to cut him a little snack and bring it up for him to enjoy with a little bit of cheese as well. And then I'm also going to do a coffee. Let's cut the cheese. Now that I've given Andre his snack while he continues to work up on the garden and finishing up his tasks and chores for the rest of the day, I'm going to start up on dinner. So today I'm going to be cooking some tongue. It's one of Andre's and myself's favorite dish. I'm just going to boil it and then clean it all up and saute it with onions and garlic. We really enjoy this dish. I let it boil for about an hour. I have some garlic here that I'm going to be peeling, like so. I also have onion that I'm going to be peeling and reserving with the garlic for when I have the tongue all cleaned up. I'm going to fry it and add some of the onions and garlic to that. The garlic and the onions are peeled. The garlic and the onions are cut. I'm going to reserve them to the side, and we're going to be using this to put together with the tongue once I fry it. Okay, the tongue has been boiling for about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And then I'm going to go and take the tongue one by one, remove it from the pot, put it into the container, and I'll keep doing that until they're all removed. I'm now going to run them under cold water to cool them off. I'm going to clean them all and slice it all. I'm going to take each tongue, put it into the cutting board, and just start cleaning them all. Here's all the 4 tongues cleaned with that outer skin. I'm just going to go ahead and remove these fine bits on the back of the tongue, like so. And that is going to be for Mia. And then what I start doing is I start slicing this way in thin slices, because I'm going to be frying them. continue to slice all of them. This is the last one. And that's how much 4 tongues give me. And that's probably going to be enough for myself and Andrei to have for lunch. And then maybe supper or a snack later on. And even Mia's is going to get some of this. So now to fry the tongues, I'm going to go ahead and get my ghee butter or the liquid gold that I've done a video on that as well. But I have the ghee butter. I'm going to add it to the pan, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the tongue and fry it all up. So I'll show you that in a moment. There is our ghee butter there. I've just turned the stove. I'm going to turn the stove on. Select. I'm going to put it at number 6. Let the ghee butter melt, and then we will go ahead and start frying up the tongue. So now that the butter has melted, we will start adding the tongue. Here is the tongue that is frying, and it's looking nice and brown. Nice and toasty, almost ready to take out and go on to the next step. All done, everybody. Bon appetit.